Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Yaris wing mirror. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a flathead and Phillips head screwdriver, along with a socket wrench set, likely 10 mm or 12 mm. Don't forget your new replacement mirror and a trim removal tool. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and efficient process, helping you get back on the road quickly and safely. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior trim panel near the mirror, using your trim removal tool to avoid scratches. Once exposed, disconnect the electrical connector. Then, use your socket wrench to unscrew the 3 mounting bolts. With the bolts removed, the old mirror should easily detach from the door, making way for the new one. With the old mirror off, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new wing mirror with the mounting holes on the door. Insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts securely with your socket wrench. Next, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring a snug fit. Before reattaching the trim, test the mirror's functions, including power adjustments and any heating elements, to confirm everything works correctly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior trim panel, pressing it firmly until it clicks into place. Double-check the new mirror's stability. It should feel solid and not wobble. Take a moment to verify all mirror functions again, including any integrated turn signals. Finally, ensure you have clear visibility and proper alignment for safe driving. You've successfully replaced your Toyota Yaris wing mirror.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.